then we got rained out. It happened over and over. That was kind of the least of our problems. One of the reasons we had problems was me. I was so worried about the shed, the two roof sides being square with each other instead of like off-centered. You know, so I started over 3 times, worrying and worrying. And then it wound up a little off-centered anyway for all of my best efforts. So I'll show you what we got for footage and what we did, and it is what it is. So it was a mess. I put the roof on wrong, put the screws in the wrong places, and pretty well made a mess of things. Basically made up for it by putting in 3 times as many screws as is required. As you can see, I am pretty much finished with the shed. Now, the next question comes is, was it worth it to spend almost, well, I guess the sign's over here, almost $1,200 on a custom-made shed? And spend, you know, damn near a year doing it? I don't know. It's what I wanted to do. My project. And it serves me well. And so next time I'll show you how I set it up for storage and other uses. Meanwhile, I hope it's not too many more months before I put up the next video.